Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, Bu Olin, Pak Octavianus, Bu Anne, and Pak Ayendi as my thesis supervisor. So in this special occasion, I would like to present my revision of my thesis with the title Stylistic Devices of Micro and Macro Level Used by Flannery O'Connor in A Good Man is Hard to Find. So the suggestion and feedback given by examiners are the key to improving the thesis betterment. And also the discussion with my thesis supervisor were carried out. And the changes were carried out with my thesis supervisor direction based on suggestions given by examiners. So the first suggestion from Bu Olin. So the suggestion is revise typo and inaccurate terminology, particularly in the abstract. The next suggestion is clarify the research objective, especially how stylistic devices construct atmosphere, characterization, and moral themes. The next suggestion is strengthen the introduction by explaining the rationale from selecting a good man is hard to find. The next suggestion is synchronize the research question, objective, and research focus. The next suggestion is narrow the research scope to maintain analytical depth. Next, clarify objective criteria for data collection and key scene. Next, revise the data analysis section by including macro-level stylistic devices. And the last suggestion is elaborate the research findings using appropriate stylistic theories. So this is all suggestion from Bu Olin. And the next suggestion is from Octavianus. So the first suggestion is I use Grammarly to fix the grammar errors and mistakes in my writing. And the next suggestion is I add an introductory paragraph before the research question and research objective to improve coherence and flow. The next is rewrite and simplify the focus of the research as it is currently too broad. And the next is clearly explain the method and technique used for data collection and data analysis. And the next suggestion is reconsider and refine the key terms used to ensure the relevance to the research focus. So previously, I wrote my key terms, and after I discussed with my thesis supervisor, now I have summarized them into 6 key terms. And the last suggestion from Octavianus is revise the theoretical framework critically by explaining how the theories function in analyzing the data. So this is all suggestion from Octavianus. And then the next suggestion and last suggestion from Bu Anne. So the suggestion is revise the abstract to be more concise by focusing on the research objective, method, finding, and conclusion. The next suggestion is revise chapter 1 by using number research question, correcting numbering, and adjusting spacing between terms and their definition. And the next suggestion is improve chapter 2 by avoiding hanging headings and reorganizing subheadings, particularly those related to micro and macro level stylistic devices. And the next suggestion is present the data analysis in chapter 3 using clear and well-structured table and description. And the last suggestion is maintain consistent spacing in every paragraph in chapter 4. So this is the suggestion from Bu Anna. And so I think that's all for my revision presentation. Thank you so much for the suggestion and feedback, Bu Olin, Pak Octavianus, Bu Anna. And thank you so much, Pak Ayendi, for guiding me to finish this thesis. And thank you so much for watching my presentation today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.